Hi you guys, so welcome back to part 3, part C of this haul. Can't remember what we called it, but I think that's close to it. I'm wearing the same thing in all 3 hauls because I'm filming them one after the other. Today's Sunday and it is the last day that I can film before I leave for Cape Town, and then I will be vlogging in Cape Town. So I have to film all this right now. I could have changed in between, but I don't have time. So this part of the haul is going to be strictly H&M. Everything that I have here is H&M, and I thought with all the try-on portions in between we'll have enough video footage. Okay, so let's dive right into this large packet. Did I show you the packet? Like, are you kidding me? And it's heavy, you guys. Like, it's insanely heavy. So I'm gonna show you the first thing that I'm just putting out from the bag. This blue pair of jeggings or jeans, whatever you want to call them. People call them jeggings because they don't have loops and they don't have the zip, so the top is stretchy. So these are your jeggings or your jeans, whatever you want to call them. These are these skinny ones. These are in a US 22, Euro 52. I'm probably just gonna say the US size. Oh, the UK 26, US 22. I'll put it all on the screen because it's a lot of numbers. So it's just this pair of jeggings, and they usually have fake pockets, which I hate. Like, why are you giving me hope that I have somewhere to put my stuff if I don't have anywhere to put my stuff? So it's just this pair of jeggings, really nice. It sits really nice and fitted on my bodice, so on my body. And this is the skinny pair, and then the bottom is frayed. I believe that's what it's called. It's legit. It looks like I took a scissors and snipped it. So that's how the bottom looks. If you're not a fan, sorry, not sorry. The next pair of bottoms that I picked out are these H&M plus regular waist shorts in the size US 24 and UK 28. These retailed for $349, exactly $349, and it's just a pair of black jean shorts. These are actual jeans. They have the loops and the belt, and not the belt. They have the loops and the button and the zip. So it's a pair of jean shorts. These sit really, really nicely. I could have got a 52, which is a US 22, but these sit nice, and like, they're not tight or anything. They just sit there, which is comfortable. They're really, really comfy. So I got this size instead because I want it to be comfy. They all folded at the bottom, which you could probably like snip here on the side and unfold if you really wanted to, but I love them. They're that length. They have functional pockets on both the back and the front. The blue jeggings just have functional pockets on the back, which I don't like putting anything in the back because when I sit, I'm afraid I'll crush them, which is not true, but it's just me. The next pair of bottoms that I got is just this black pair of jeggings. These are the super slim. So those blue ones are the skinny. These are the super slim. Love them. These are in a US 24, Euro 54, and UK 26. No, UK 28. And these retail for $329. Again, no functional pockets in the front. Hate it. Functional pockets in back. If you're about that back business, then she would. But love these. They're just black. Really, really, really nice dark black. I didn't want like a washed out black like these shorts. These are really like, they look washed out. So I like this dark opaque black. There's a little bit of stretch in there, but because they are super slim, there's not that much stretch. So those are there. Okay, so the last pair of bottoms that I got are this pair of black shorts again. So they are different. Those are like a washed out black, as I mentioned before. These are like these jeggings. These stretch, you guys. These are so comfortable. I tried all of this on before I bought it. By the way, biggest pain ever. I could never do a in the dressing room video because I almost cried by the end of trying all these things on, because I had on super slim jeans by H&M and Chucks on. So you can just imagine taking off the Chucks and the super slim jeans. Those are the jeans that you jump up and, you know, do stretches and lay on your bed to get them on nicely. So you can just imagine having to take them off and try things on that entire day. Like, no ways. I was ready to cry. So this is a pair of black jeans. I love this dark black. They are folded at the bottom again. Functional pockets in the front. Love that. I bought a lot of black because I don't own any black. This is the first black bottom stuff that I own. These retail for $3.79, and these are in a Euro 54, US 24, UK 28. But yeah, love them. They stretch a lot. Love that. Look at that. Super comfy. If you wanted to get anything from this haul, get these and the shoes that I'm going to show you. So the second last thing that I got from H&M is just this one shirt, top, whatever. This is a shirt from H&M. It's just a shirt. This retails for $1.79. This is in the size 3X. US 3X, Euro 3X. It's just 3X, okay? It's just this pink, like a really, really muted pink, and then it says passion never fails. That's what it says. I know, cheesy, right? But I can't even tell you. Like, I'm not obsessed with it. The shirts that I saw at Edgar's, I'm obsessed with those. Let me show you this DIY really quickly. I know it's like random, like, but finish off the haul. You're waiting to see these beauties. Favorite part of this haul. I'm gonna show you just now, okay? Let me show you this. I did this DIY, so sorry about all of this, but let me show you. You're not gonna see because of there's light, so you're not gonna see it that well. But I did this DIY on my mirror, and it's just these fairy lights, white fairy lights that are going all around the mirror, and it looks so cute. I'll show you at night if I remember to film the mirror at night. So that's how it looks at night. It's cute. It's like Christmas in my room. It's a huge mirror. I want to also get lights for the painting over there. Cute, right? It's so cute. It's like the perfect white. I'm very critical about white. It's like a blue white, which I love. So, but I really, really like it. It's so cute. But let's get back to why you're here, right? Okay, last thing that I got from H&M are these shoes, and I saw a girl trying them on, right? If I didn't see her trying them on, I would have never seen them, because they're hidden in the bottom shelf of this shoe section at H&M, and I'm just wondering, like, why are they hidden all the way at the bottom? Anyway, I saw the girl try them on, walked away, and when I came back, I came to kind of look at the shoe section, and I looked for them, and I literally couldn't find them. Like, where she got the lost pair? And then I checked at the bottom, and they were all sitting there, and I'm just like, wow. There was only like 4 pairs, so I took this one, so there was 3 left. Apparently, they brought them back. So they were there before, and then they sold out, and then they got more. So that's what the lady said. But it's these, they're so cute, you guys. Like, I'm proper obsessed. This is in a size UK 6. I wear a size UK 6. These retail for $5.29. I love them. Like, no one is gonna try me with these shoes on. Like, I'm gonna stomp on you. Just kidding. These are in a size 39, which is a UK 6. Love them. Like, look how cute they look. Like, I'm obsessed. They're so comfortable, you guys. Like, they're the most comfortable. I could wear these the whole day. They're so comfortable. chunkiest heel I've ever seen. Really, really thick platform. Love them. I absolutely love them. So cute. So yeah, these are my favorite. Get these in black jeans and you look fire. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of the haul. We finally made it to the end of this 3-part haul, and thank you for sticking around and watching all of them. If you did watch all of them, you're the one. Thank you. If you like seeing hauls, I will do them as regularly as I can, but it does get annoying to pile things up just so that you have enough to show in a video, because I don't like wearing the things before I haul them. But I just hope and pray that I can do the try on portion so I can pack them away and actually wear them. So that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications for all my other videos. I post makeup tutorials and a couple of vlogs here and there. So if you like that, then subscribe. Also check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'm very active on all 3 of those. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Done! 3 videos in one day. Productive.